Day 10. Welcome to Day 10, sister, as we're focusing on a crucial question that will shape your ministry journey. And that question is, who do you feel called to serve? This question is vital because understanding your audience helps you to use your gifts effectively and make your ministry impactful. Many of us get stuck with this question during the discernment phase because we make the mistake of trying to cast too large of a net. Our big hearts drive us to want to help everyone. And while that is admirable, starting out with such a broad focus can set us up for failure. Instead, how about we seek to identify a specific group that we're uniquely equipped to help with our gifts? And I really want to paint this picture for you to help you to get clarity around this subject. Take a minute to reflect back over your life and think about some of the tremendous adversity that you have dealt with, you've overcome. You faced challenges like divorce or single parenting or surviving abuse or significant loss or moments of deep uncertainty. By God's grace, you not only survived, but you also witnessed God's transformative power in your life. This experience or these experiences often ignite a desire in each and every one of us to help others who have gone through similar struggles as us. The desire to offer comfort and support to others who have experienced what we've gone through is both natural and biblical. 2 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 4 tells us, He comforts us in all our troubles so that we can comfort those in any trouble with the comfort we ourselves receive from God. This scripture highlights how our personal experiences can be used to support and uplift others. As you discern the focus of your ministry, consider how the previous chapters of your life might direct you to the people God is calling you to serve. Your journey, with all of the trials and triumphs, give you a unique ability to empathize and connect deeply with those facing similar situations. This street cred that you receive enhances your effectiveness and compassion. There are people who you are uniquely called to serve that I would never be able to reach. Similarly speaking, there are people who are drawn to you because of your unique perspectives and gifts that God has given you. By focusing on those who we are uniquely equipped to serve, our ministry becomes more effective and meaningful. As you seek to discern the type of person you're called to serve in ministry, I would like for you to reflect on some guided questions and write your answer in your journal. Question number 1. What personal experiences have shaped you and might help you connect with and support a specific group of people? Write your initial thoughts while the music plays. All right, so question number 2, we're going to go deep here. Is there a certain person that you've served in the past that while helping them, you felt tremendously fulfilled and had a sense that this was the type of purpose-driven work that your heart yearns for? Do you have a person that comes to mind? Okay, great. What was their name? And think about their attributes. Were they a certain age, gender? Were they Christian? What was their family structure like? Did they have a certain profession? What problems were they struggling with? I want you to write a detailed description of that person and your interaction. The more detail about the dynamics of the person, the better. Then, once you finish this exercise, I want you to review what you've written down and draw from that a framework of the themes of the attributes of the person that stands out to you. And that is going to help you to determine the type of person that you desire to serve. All right, sister, for this particular question, I realize you need more time. So don't feel rushed. I also want to let you know that in the Sister Start Your Ministry book, chapter 3, and particularly the workbook, we have questions and actual exercises to help guide you through this process. So spend time engaging in the workbook to help you to go deeper on this question. But as we prepare to close, I invite you to proclaim this confession of faith over yourself. I am uniquely equipped to serve those who have walked a similar path as mine, and I trust that God will guide and connect me with those I am called to serve. Let's repeat that one more time. I am uniquely equipped to serve those who have walked a similar path to mine, and I trust that God will guide and connect me with those I am called to serve. That's it for today's message, sister. I want you to go forth in peace, love, and in power, knowing that God has called you to an incredible ministry, and He's going to show you who you are directly, uniquely called to serve. I will see you again tomorrow, sister.
Hey sis, I hope you were encouraged by today's message. And if you were, I'm inviting you to take your next step of faith by downloading my free Ministry Launch Starter Kit that's going to help you not only start, but grow your ministry. You can get this kit at sisterstartyourministry.com. Again, that is sisterstartyourministry.com.